Today, we're going to take a deep look into the brand new exhaust system for the CTR and share with you some of its amazing design features. This project has been a long one in the making to deliver what we believe is the best sounding and most complete exhaust system on the market. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. All the pipes, hardware, and material is made from premium T304 stainless steel, so you won't have to worry about rust or corrosion for the life of this system. To help your turbo breathe and spool up, we utilize 80mm exhaust piping throughout the system. This 80mm translates to roughly 3.125 inches outside diameter. This large piping helps reduce back pressure and help exhaust scavenging out of the turbo. Style was one of the many considerations we looked at when designing this system. A large 4.5-inch center tip and 4-inch outer tips makes this the meanest and most aggressive looking tips you can find on the market. Even more important than looks is sound, and this is something we took a lot of time on. All of this work led to the design of a brand new muffler that was created to help keep drone to a minimum and make sweet, sweet music out of your tailpipe. Now enough talk, sit back and turn up those speakers and take a listen for yourself. What did I say? Is that not awesome or what? A pure performance exhaust for a pure performance car. We did a few other things to help enhance sound and performance. One of those things is the retention of the OEM valve. This means that you won't have to worry about any check engine lights or bypass modules to make this system work. You're going to retain all your drive modes and it's going to be just like the car was from the factory. You can purchase this system in one of two ways. As a traditional catback unit, that will include an aftermarket front pipe. Option number 2 is a full Turboback unit that will upgrade your stock restrictive downpipe with our high flow catted performance unit. This version makes more power and noise while utilizing a specially resonated mid-pipe to help keep drone at bay. Like all 271 products, we're going to send you everything you need for a complete and hassle-free install. All of the hardware, gaskets, and free mobile instructions to help you get on the road sooner. Be sure and head to our website to check out all our design blogs and learn more about this amazing system. I want to thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time.